In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Zoom link for a meeting on your laptop or computer. We'll walk through the process step by step, in a way that's simple and easy to follow, even if you're brand new to Zoom. By the end, you'll know exactly how to generate a meeting link that you can share with anyone. First, open your web browser on your laptop or PC and go to the Zoom website. If you already have an account, sign in with your usual login details. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to create a free one. You'll just need an email address and a password. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Zoom account dashboard. From here, look toward the top right area of the screen for the option to schedule a meeting. It's usually labeled Schedule or Schedule a Meeting. Click on that. This will open a page where you can set up all the details of your meeting. Give your meeting a clear topic or name, something that will make sense to you and to your participants, like team check-in or client meeting. Then, choose the date and start time for your meeting. Make sure your time zone is correct so everyone joins at the right time. Next, you'll see options for meeting settings. Here you can decide whether you want to require a passcode, enable a waiting room, or allow participants to join before the host. For most basic meetings, leaving the default options is fine, but using a passcode or waiting room can add an extra layer of security, especially if you're sharing the link widely. Once you're happy with your settings, scroll down and click the button to save or schedule the meeting. After you do this, Zoom will create a unique meeting page. On this page, you'll see your meeting link. It usually starts with HTTPS and includes zoom.us in the address. Highlight and copy this link. You can now paste it into an email, a calendar invite, a chat message, or anywhere else you want to share it. When it's time for the meeting, you and your participants can simply click that link to join from your laptop or computer. And that's it. You've created a Zoom meeting link on your laptop or PC, and you're ready to host your call with just a few clicks.